Have you ever felt it hit out of nowhere? Your chest tightens, your thoughts race, your body feels like it's in danger, but nothing is actually happening. You try to breathe, you try to relax, but the harder you try, the worse it gets. Right now, in the next 15 seconds, I'm going to show you a simple trick that can interrupt anxiety immediately. No medication, no affirmations, no forcing yourself to calm down. Just something your nervous system understands instantly. Why anxiety feels so overwhelming. Anxiety isn't weakness, it's your body trying to protect you. The problem is your nervous system can't tell the difference between real danger and a thought, so it reacts the same way. Heart racing, shallow breathing, tight muscles, and once that loop starts, your mind follows your body. That's why thinking your way out of anxiety rarely works. You have to calm the body first. The 15-second trick. Do this now. Stop whatever you're doing. Place one hand on your chest, one hand on your stomach. Now breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold it for 2 seconds. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. That's it. Do this twice. You've just sent a signal to your brain that you are safe. Not by logic, by biology. Why this works so fast? Long exhales activate your parasympathetic nervous system, the part responsible for calm. You're telling your body there's no threat here. And when the body calms down, the mind follows. This isn't a mindset trick. It's a reset. A real moment you've probably had. Maybe you were sitting in class, driving, lying in bed at night. Everything was fine until it wasn't. And in that moment, you felt trapped inside your own body. This is for that moment, not when anxiety is mild, but when it feels unbearable. When to use this trick? Use it before a stressful conversation, during a panic spike, when your thoughts won't slow down, right before sleep. 15 seconds won't solve your life, but it can stop the spiral. And stopping the spiral is everything. One important reminder. If your anxiety comes back later, that doesn't mean it failed. It means your nervous system needed another reminder. Calm is a skill, and skills get stronger with repetition. The truth no one tells you. You're not broken, you're not weak, and you're not bad at coping. Your body just needs the right signal, and now you have it. If this helped even a little, like the video, share it, and subscribe, because the right tools used at the right moment can change everything. And if anxiety hits again, you know what to do. Breathe.